Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here again. Today we're gonna go ahead and be installing the all-weather mats by Lasfit, or how they call them is the floor liners. So these here are all-weather. They're very good. You can easily wash them out, and they're laser fit, so it should fit perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these and give you guys a whole rundown on my perception and my review on how they look. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, once you go ahead and open the box, it comes nicely packaged. You're gonna go ahead and have a full access to all the pieces of the mat. So you're gonna have your passenger, your driver, your rear liners, and center rear as well. So this is straightforward. All you have to do is go ahead and remove all the existing liners that you have on there. Move for the front, you just need to move your seats all the way back so you have enough clearance. And these are actually made, what I like about these, especially for the driver's side, is that it's actually OEM based, custom designed, so you'll have the secure locking mechanism so that the liner does not move. And I'm going to show you some liners that I have. I don't have my OEM liners in there. I bought some and I never made a video of it. It's called Spartan liners, and I used them for a while. I really don't like them, so I'm gonna go ahead and test these out, and hopefully these are much better. This is made out of a better material. It's a full high quality TPE, environmental friendly as well, so you will not have any like rubber smell or anything like that over time. They do have lifetime warranty with a 90-day refund, so definitely Lasfit is a good option to go with. And so let's just get these started, and let's install them, see how they look, see how they fit, and we'll take it from there. Definitely there is a discount. I will put all the description details, direct links, and discount code that you guys can use to go ahead and purchase these if you like them. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and I'll let you know how everything looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the driver's side. As you guys can see kind of in the video there, I have the Spartan liners. Do forgive for all the dirtiness here. I haven't cleaned the interior of the car, but one of the things I wanted to point out, the Lasfit come with these pointy anti-skid design, so that way it doesn't move. The ones that I have on now doesn't come with that, so I've had times where it kind of creeps up on my acceleration pedal, which is a safety concern. So these are definitely looking really good with the anti-skid plus the locking mechanism for the driver's side. Definitely a plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these, remove the other ones, and I'll show you how everything fits and looks. Alright, so what you want to do is go ahead and you remove the seat back. I already did that. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Again, guys, this is not the OEM liner, of course. This is a Spartan liners, which is coming off. I really don't like this design. So you guys can see it's like all rub made, and doesn't have any anti-skidding, so this kind of sucks as well. So taking those off, go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in the Lasfit version. Really liking this color and material, just kind of blends in with all the panels. So lines up with the secure here, which is great. Put it in the locking position, and there's the driver's side. So I'm gonna get you a close-up so you guys can see. It's such a perfect fit. Really liking these a lot. Way much better than the ones that I just removed, and definitely much better than OEM. Let's go ahead and get the passenger side done, and then the rear, and I'll show you a whole overview of how they all look. So here's the passenger side. Move this. We'll go ahead and put in the Lasfit. Again, anti-skid on the bottom, which is really great. Passenger side doesn't come with locking mechanisms, even on the OEM, so this should just fit right in. like so, just like OEM. Also lays in perfect, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back now. So on the back, on the previous one that I bought, Spartan liners, it's a one piece altogether. It's not too bad on the back, but also it just fits not perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the Lasfit. The Lasfit is a 3-piece, so you have your individual mats for each side, plus a center piece that goes on there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, and we'll put the Lasfit in, see how those fit in. All right, so here's the back. Really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and install the centerpiece, which also fits perfectly. I love how they did this design. So this one comes like this, folded. All you have to do is tuck it in here, tuck it on the other side. I gotta tell you, these things are done so perfect that I'm just in love with it. So that's how the center looks, and it just looks beautiful. So go ahead and take a further shot out of here. So there's the back. Give you one last angle here. Just had to move due to the sun glare so you guys have a nice idea. But they just look really phenomenal. I really like this. The material just kind of blends in with the OEM panels. Really nice. One more time here on the passenger front. Again, guys, definitely check out the link in the description below this video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up on this video. Share, subscribe. And as always, guys, thank you very much. And until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless. And if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. As always, I'll go ahead and answer them.